When it comes to finding the best BIM company in BTM Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a leader in the industry. With its expertise and dedication to providing top-notch BIM services, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted name in the field. As a leading BIM company, SCON Design has a team of highly skilled professionals who are well-versed in the latest technologies and software used in the industry. This enables them to deliver high-quality BIM solutions that meet the specific needs and requirements of their clients. Whether it is 3D modeling, clash detection, or construction documentation, SCON Design has the knowledge and expertise to handle any project with precision and efficiency. One of the key reasons why SCON Design is considered the best BIM company in BTM Layout is its commitment to customer satisfaction. The company understands that each project is unique and requires a tailored approach. Therefore, they work closely with their clients to understand their goals and objectives, and then develop a customized BIM strategy to achieve them. This level of personalized service ensures that clients receive solutions that not only meet their expectations but also exceed them. Additionally, SCON Design is known for its professionalism and attention to detail. The company follows industry standards and best practices to ensure that every project is executed flawlessly. From the initial planning stages to the final deliverables, SCON Design maintains a high level of professionalism throughout the entire process. This ensures that clients can trust in the accuracy and reliability of their BIM solutions. Furthermore, SCON Design has an impressive portfolio that showcases their expertise and capabilities. The company has successfully completed numerous projects in BTM Layout and other areas of Bangalore, earning them a reputation for excellence in the industry. When it comes to finding the best BIM company in BTM Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is the clear frontrunner. With a reputation for excellence and a team of highly skilled professionals, SCON Design has established itself as a leader in the field of building information modeling, BIM. The company's commitment to quality and innovation sets it apart from its competitors, making it the top choice for clients in need of BIM services. SCON Design is known for its expertise in BIM, which is a digital representation of the physical and functional characteristics of a building. By utilizing advanced software and technology, SCON Design is able to create accurate and detailed models that offer a comprehensive view of a project. This allows for better planning, coordination, and communication throughout the entire construction process, resulting in increased efficiency and reduced costs. One of the reasons why SCON Design stands out as the best BIM company in BTM Layout is its experienced team of professionals. The company boasts a